Come test drive this 2008 Honda Pilot. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.